laugh. We cry. We get angry. We feel afraid.
Namaskar. You must have experienced emotions like this in your daily life. But have you ever wondered why we behave the way we do? Today, we will learn how we experience the variety of emotions that all add up to form our behavior.
Just as huge, beautiful buildings look complex, but are still made up of individual bricks, the human body is composed of millions of cells. Cells are the basic unit of life. All cells have a nucleus and a cytoplasm and are bound by a cell membrane. It is the joint action of different cells that makes us alive.
Did you know that when you're appreciating a beautiful sunset, eating your favorite dish, or thinking of some loved one, millions of neurons in your nervous system are collecting and transmitting information and the responses to it to and from the brain? Now let us try to understand how the nervous system functions by starting at the basics. Let us take a closer look at a neuron, which is one of the basic types of cells.
Neurons make up half of the volume of the brain. The other half is made up of cells known as glia. All neurons share a common structure. The soma or cell body is the largest part of the neuron, and it regulates the functioning of the whole cell. It also contains the nucleus that manufactures the chemicals used to transmit signals. Neurons receive information through the dendrites, which are the branches that extend from the cell body and spread out. Dendrites receive signals from the axons of other neurons. The axon is a long fiber that leads away from the cell body. This constitutes neural pathways in the central nervous system. Just as electric wires have an insulation, axons are usually insulated by a myelin sheath, which is composed of glial cells. You must have seen high-tension wires carrying electricity a number of times. But did you know that your own body has an electric network of its own that is continuously transmitting and receiving signals? In fact, every single action of ours is governed by this network inside our body. Within the body, the information is carried through a series of electrical impulses that travel from one neuron to the other. These nerve impulses are sent to specific areas of the brain where sensations take place. A junction between neurons is called synapse. Transmission takes place with the help of neurotransmitters. There are two types of neurons: receptor neurons and motor neurons. Receptor neurons bring information into the nervous system. This information is brought in by the senses like hearing, vision, touch, taste, and smell. Motor neurons carry out the orders of our brain for muscle movements like walking, chewing, writing, and others, which are under our conscious control.